Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Christmas event update in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Christmas event update has been dropped in Fish It, and I'm going to show you what's new on this update. Okay, the first one, the Christmas event quest is coming right now, and it has replaced the classic event. And this event is like the previous event, guys, which is the classic event. Basically, you will have daily quest, and you need to complete the quest to earn this candy. I don't know. And you can claim your reward right here. My daily quest right now is selling 300 fish and catch 3 gingerbread crabs and catch 1 frost globe jelly, and also catching 3 rare fish. Okay, and I have already claimed a reward from this Christmas event, which is this reindeer antler skin, and this is how the rat skin looks like, and it's cool. And there is this quest list, this new quest list, so you will be able to see or to view the main quest and also the event quest. Okay, and there is a new island, guys, the Christmas island. You can go there using this portal. Just like the previous update, you can go there instantly with this portal. I'm going to go to the Christmas island. Okay, and this is how the Christmas island looks like, and it's very cool. And of course, you can fish here to complete the event quest. Okay, I'm going to go to the fishing spot. So guys, you can go to this area and start to fish here. Okay, this is the fishing area. And there is a new code, guys, but the code now is already invalid, expired, I mean. The code is the sorry quest, and it will give you luck totem. But unfortunately, it's already expired, so I can't redeem it. Okay guys, and that's all about the Christmas update in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!